Guys, it's Colin Halpin from TU Pibney. Today, we're gonna be bike riding around to see if we can find a bird nest. So, let's go. I'm just gonna bike around, look tree to tree, see if we can find a bird nest. It's crazy, but let's do it. Okay. So I think there's one right up here. I'm not fully sure. Sorry, guys. Hello. Hello. Oh, you guys can't see, so let me. You guys can't really see that much, so I'm gonna try and upgrade this so that you can see that where I'm going. Let me upgrade this. Okay, almost got it. And then you guys will be able to see. I think I got it. Alright, you guys can see. I hear tweeting. Listen. You guys hear that? Okay, I think we're close to a bird nest if I hear a lot of tweeting. Yo, I found it. Guys, I found a bird nest. Guys, I found a bird nest. There it is, that's the tree. Right there. That's the tree. The tree right next to that car. Let's get up there and see if there's an egg, I guess. Okay. Okay. Look, a bird nest. Okay. How am I gonna do this so you guys can still see? Here, let me take this big rock and set you guys against it so that you can see me. Get up there. Okay. Can you please go to where you were going? Because I'm trying to film a YouTube video right here. So.
Okay, I'll go back.
Thank you. Okay. So back to what we were doing. Let me try and stand this up against maybe perfect. Right, so it's right up there. Let me zoom you guys in. Right. I don't think you guys can see that. It's right up there. See where my finger is? That big ball right over there. I'm gonna try and stand on this and see if I can get up there and see if there's an egg. I have not found the bird's nest before, so let's hope there's an egg in the bird nest. And when or if there's an egg, I will show you the little birdie inside the egg. I don't know how I'm gonna make this work, but I'm gonna try. I'm right over here. I don't know if you can see me, but I'm trying to get this to work. Okay. Oh jeez. Okay, I see it. It's right there. Oh! I don't think there's an egg. Ugh. Yeah, guys, I don't think there's an egg. Let me try and break off a twig to see. Try and. Caden, I'm filming a YouTube video. I'm filming a YouTube video about the bird nest. I said I am. I don't think there's an egg in there, but the camera's right there. That's why I'm talking. There's an egg. There is? Yeah. There's an egg. There's an egg. Alright guys, I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try and lift you up with me to see if there's an egg. I think there's something up there, guys. Guys, I see something. Focus. Focus. This camera won't focus. Focus! There's an egg. Yeah. There's an egg. Okay. How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna try and let you guys see that egg up there. See that white thing? That white thing up there. That's an egg. That's an egg, guys. That is an egg. Oh my gosh. We found a bird nest. Guys, this is no joke. Legit. Bird nest. And you guys can tell that is not a rock, because that is shaped cylinder. Cylinder. I mean, look at this. Why would an egg be a rock like this? No. That up there is an egg. Oh my gosh. I'll get proof. I'll get proof from these guys. Guys, do you want to see the egg? Look, there's an egg right up there. If you come over here, you can see the egg. Because there's a bird nest and you can hear tweeting. But there's an egg if you come over here. Yeah, guys, do you see that white thing up there? You guys probably can't see it because it blends in with the sky. I know what you guys are thinking. Colin, just get up there and grab the egg and take it home. Well, no, I don't want to get attacked by a whole flock of birds if they come. And I don't want to take care of another pet because I already have 2 turtles. And my dogs went missing, which is really sad. So, if you see my dogs, I'll send a link and a picture to them. Please contact the number and the link in the description below if you find the dog's picture that's in the link in this description box below again. But look. Right up there. You see that thing? I don't know. I'm gonna have to end this video here. But I'm gonna get some proof from these guys right over here. Do you guys want to see the egg? Because I found an egg in this bird nest over here. Right over here. Where's the egg? Okay, if you don't want to see it, bye-bye. Bye, have a beautiful time. Okay. I'm gonna end this video here. I will post a part 2 tomorrow because you guys know I've been a little bit off short because I was at my dad's and I was in California. So if you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video. If this is your first time, hi. If this is your first time meeting my channel, hi, my name is Colin Halpin. I do lots of things, creative things, adventures, mysteries, FNAF. I do a lot of things, and it's really, really cool. It's just a bunch of curiosity. And if you guys want more, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!